Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mazda CX-9 using an easy method. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes, ensuring your drawing has the correct proportions from the start. Think of these initial lines as your blueprint. Then, we'll lightly sketch the main body outline, capturing the vehicle's distinctive silhouette. This step is crucial for getting the overall form right before adding details. Now, let's get started. Now that we have our basic structure, let's refine the body. Carefully add the Mazda CX-9 signature grille and the sleek headlight designs. These elements give the car its unique face. Next, define the side panels, doors, and window frames, paying attention to their angles and how they flow together. Finally, sketch the roofline and the rear hatch, ensuring all curves are smooth and consistent with the vehicle's elegant design. You're doing great. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Life's too short for a stinky car, so why not grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener? It's a simple way to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the main body taking shape, it's time for the wheels and smaller details. First, accurately draw the circular wheel wells, then carefully sketch the wheels and tires within them. Remember, the wheels are a significant part of the car's character. Next, add the side mirrors, door handles, and any roof rails, ensuring they are proportionate. Finally, include subtle details like exhaust pipes and trim lines to bring your Mazda CX-9 to life. Almost there. We're in the home stretch. Now, let's add some life to your drawing with shading. Apply light shading to create depth and highlight the contours of the Mazda CX-9 body. This helps the car look three-dimensional. Use darker tones for shadows, especially under the car and in recessed areas like the wheel wells, to ground it. Finally, carefully erase any initial guidelines and clean up your drawing for a polished finish. Fantastic work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.